Hello friends, Ben here for Giant Loop, and today I want to tell you all about the new and improved Giant Loop lift strap. The Giant Loop lift strap is any single track rider or snow bike rider's best friend. If you've ever helped a friend pull their motorcycle up a tricky hill climb, technical terrain, or just up off the ground in an awkward position, you know how difficult it can be to get a hold of the bike and how important it is to get a good grip. And the Giant Loop lift strap is an inexpensive, durable, rugged way to solve that problem, and I think it makes your bike look a little cooler too. The Giant Loop lift strap is a low-cost, easy-to-install solution that can help you get a grip and even the toughest situations. The new and improved Giant Loop lift strap features a durable nylon construction, a glove-friendly rubber-molded grip, and it is incredibly easy to install. You can attach this bad boy directly to the forks of a dirt bike, snow bike, adventure bike, basically any motorcycle, or you can attach it to the rear of many dual sport and dirt bikes, enabling you to get a grip on the rear of the bike when you're just moving it around, picking it up, whatever it is that you need to do. As a person who recently melted a glove helping somebody pick up their adventure bike because I accidentally touched the exhaust, I can tell you these things are a lifesaver, and they're so inexpensive, it's like, why not throw one or two on your bike? These versatile little straps can also be used as like an crap handle and a side-by-side. They can be used as additional grab handles for your Giant Loop luggage. They can attach basically anywhere quickly and easily. Let me show you how it's done. Today we're attaching this bad boy to my trusty CRF 450L. Here it is, just remove it from the card. Simple. The instructions, if you need them, are right on the back of the card, but it couldn't be simpler. You're gonna undo the buckles as they come. Just get the strap loose so I can put it where I need it to be. It's a tri-glide buckle, so it's designed actually for the webbing to go through it 3 times. So you'll notice that's how it comes. I remember the first time I installed one of these, I was like, okay, there's no way it's this simple. It is. You just go around the fork tube, like yay, and bring the end of the strap back up to the buckle. Get it adjusted kind of where you want it. I like to center it on the fender. And then you just run it through once, twice, 3 times a lady. That's why it's called a tri-glide buckle. You just go back through like so. It's actually easier when you're not filming it because you can get in front of it. There you go. That side's attached. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Make sure you get the handle logo right side up. That's super important. And you can tweak and adjust as necessary to get it where you want it. Actually want it just a little farther to the other side, I think. Pull that through just a little more. There it is, installed, ready to go. It's the kind of thing that disappears when you're not using it. See how it fits perfectly underneath the light. The second you do need it to pull the bike up in a truck or pull up a tricky obstacle or just get a hold of it on the front, it sure is nice to have. So these things weigh nothing, they're easy to install, and they're very inexpensive. This is the brand new for 2023 version of the lift strap. It's got an updated handle. You can see it's a little bit more square than the old one, and these are available right now on giantloopmoto.com. We're so excited about the launch of the new lift strap that we're actually giving them away this month for free. Any order of $50 or more from giantloopmoto.com will include a free Giant Loop lift strap, and that is good for this month, the entire month of January. The lift strap, like all of our products, is backed by our limited lifetime warranty, and all orders of over $75 from giantloopmoto.com ship for free. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more gear overviews, how-tos, and other great content. And don't forget that all YouTube subscribers save 10% with promo code SUBSCRIBER. Thank you for watching. Go light, go fast, go far, and get a grip with Giant Loop.